All right, let's try another way and see if it'll work on opening. We've already opened it once, one method, and it is actually fun getting to play with the vehicle. Customer is at work, they know I'm doing it, so yeah, if you see this pop up more than once, hey, don't worry, it's just multiple ways. That is a problem because he does not actually know that. And if I actually had the hard plastic with me, I might be able to get this in there, but we'll see. There we go. Now this strap here is not one I made. I do have one that does have sandpaper on there. I don't like using that on newer vehicles. All right, there, did it. All right, that method works. Hey, thanks for watching that one. Easy peasy.